Welcome back to Handy Frank. Well, my kitchen faucet went out and it was dripping down through the sink, then coming down through the ceiling and coming down on the floor. Cause this is a basement, so that's where it was all leaking. So I had was to use all of these last night to make sure I didn't get the water all over the place. First, I make sure I find the lock off and I locked it off. See it downstairs, as I said. So I'm running upstairs. Now this is where the work begins. So this is the old faucet. See? And that's a sink. This sink has 3 holes. But what happened when you put it on, you do it like this. So it goes on like this. So the other 2 holes, they're covered. It also had a pipe here that you could always pull out and, an extension so you can wash. Okay, the problem is now, to get it off, I had to go and get a 5/8 vice grip, adjustable, to do the job. So where did I put it? Okay, so this is a really tricky job. You can do it, but you just have to understand. Understanding is what really counts when doing something. Okay, so first, when I put it over like this go under. This go under. So like this underneath. You go up over here. So underneath, this is what really hold it underneath, hold the sink so it don't swivel. So that is where the nut goes. So I would have to use that tool, go on my knee, on my back actually, and make sure I take off that screw before this can come up through here. I also have to turn off, just for safety, turn off the pipe. Those lock off. Also, I have to take off these of the existing ones here. So what we have here is 3 different faucets, right? So this one, it have a nut that lock this onto the face, onto the faucet, right? So when you put it down through the hole, this goes up and you use the screw to lock it onto this. Okay, this one is different because it have 2 holes. Remember, this one don't only have 1 hole, so this is the locking device. This one have 2 holes. So you go like this, and then now, where is it? This is what screw into here, then it go under and come up through here. So you have an additional pipe. So you want to extend it so you can wash things, alongside, wash out. You can always do that. Okay, so that's for that. For the new one, it's different. Also for this, what you use to hold this down is these underneath. So I turn it on the opposite side. I'm alone working, so it's a bit hard to be using the phone, but I hope you understand. I'm trying to take my time. So these 2 of them would go underneath, so you hold this in place, right? So remember, the first one, you have this locking device. It have a nut that comes up, so it's a 5/8 nut, so you have to pull it, right? The next one, these 2 holes with this underneath, so that is what hold it into place. The third one, which is the new one, right? it's a different sort of locking device. So with this one, and they're all Moem. See? All, here's the tag. See it for yourself. They're all Moen. So with this one, when it goes over like this, it go down just one hole. So these are what you put over. See? Let me fix it, then I can show you. Then I can show you better. So I just pull it out halfway just to show you, because this now, when this go over, like it's mounted like this, then from underneath you push this up like this. So this is what gonna hold this to this. Then you have the nuts over here that screw on. You're gonna push it over the hose, push it onto this, then you tighten it up, and that's it. Then all you have to do is you have your pipes that come down, so you just connect them together. That's it. So I'll show a finished job. Also, this is what used to help it, that this go up and down. So you want to take it out and you want to wash each thing. When you push it back, the weight, that's what keep it down.